Welcome to another 10 at 10 for 10 training and leadership development. I'm super excited to introduce a special offer coming from some of our members that have put something together that I really believe is going to spur further growth into the $10 pool. And we'd really like to see the $10 pool moving forward and growing. We'd like to see the people that have, people that they've signed up that maybe they don't have anybody below them yet in the $10 pool, that they are starting to get, you need at least two, right? Everybody needs at least two in order to have positive cash flow. And so we also see that there's a benefit for doing the $300 operating budget. And again, that operating budget will carry you maybe 2 weeks, maybe three, depending on how the pool swings around and helps out. But only 2 to 3 weeks is what you're going to get out of a $300 operating budget in the $10 pool. But in that time, you're supposed to get two right away. And what we've noticed is that some people have failed to get anybody signed up, and they end up having 2 or 3 weeks pass, and then they find that their operating budget is dwindling down to zero, and then they're faced with a choice. So the best choice here, if you really think about, there's a reason why people came into pool funding. The best choice is to stick with it because it's worth it. Where else can you get 100% pay, instant pay, direct pay in a system that cares and is honest, like pool funding? And it's worth sticking around. And if it takes a little extra money, a little extra time to get that done, so be it. So I think if we can just encourage people to get onto the path of getting referrals one way or another within their first couple of days of signing up, that is the best case scenario. And that's what the point of training and the fast start training is all about. So without further ado, I'd like to invite first Steve. Steve, I want you to share. Steve Thompson, you're here still, right?
Yeah. Yes.
There you are. There he is. All right, let me turn it on.
Hey.
Let me turn on speaker view here. Speaker view. All right, get a good look at you there. What a handsome man you are. All right.
Yeah.
So Steve, tell us about your experience, working with leads, getting leads off the internet, how you're getting them, what's working for you. You got something that's brewing and it's working pretty good. Tell us about it.
That's right. Well, we're doing leads lead program with extreme lead program. You buy 100 clicks for about we got a special deal for our group of people here, 5% off. That's not that big of a deal, but it's better than nothing. And it goes up to 10% and then 15% with larger orders. And the experience we've had is that we do 100 clicks, and I actually got 30 people opted in. And
wow.
in the last few days, I contacted maybe half of them, and I have commitments from 4 different people to onboard.
And they're
So it's
coming
working
in with
very
the
good.
$300 budget.
That's correct.
Fantastic. So that's 4 commitments, and you've already signed up how many people so far before those 4 people? Who do you have on your team now?
I've signed up probably like 12 or 13 people.
Right.
And at first I was being very kind and handing them out to other people in my downline of folks. So I helped out a few of my team members by giving them some of my people.
Okay. So you've actually, signed up quite a few people. So you're actually pretty good at taking a person from the process of start to finish, getting them all the way through the process. And that's great.
And I've gained that experience from you, actually.
Well,
and you've helped me come out of my shell, and I'm very grateful for that. And I feel like I can handle them on my own now.
That's right. Well, I'm glad to hear that. I always like to see personal growth. That to me is, in a way, for me, it's just more rewarding than money. The money is nice, but when I see that I'm doing good and lifting people's confidence and lifting their ability to get the job done, that's always a real treasure for me. All right, so let me share my screen. Okay. let's take a look at the offer being made here, where people can get the kind of the same deal working for them, and how you can take advantage of it. Okay, so basically, Michael Dagis, who is one of the first people you signed up into pool funding, right?
That's correct.
Michael Dagis is pretty good at putting together these lead capture pages, these landing pages and whatnot. And what you need to have if you're going to take advantage of this leads lead marketing system, you need to have something that for people to go to. Okay. And he's put together an offer for a donation, a one-time donation of only $30. He'll go ahead and make those for you. And it probably will take him about an hour of his time to put everything together for you the way I guess it works, because there's a whole system to do it for each person. And the requirements are here. There's 5 things that he needs from you in order to be able to complete that for you, plus the $30 donation. And then you're good to go. So that seems like a pretty good offer. Here's what it looks like. Here's the lead capture page. Okay. So earn 900 to 9,000 a month with just 4 referrals. That sounds great, doesn't it? Okay.
Mhm.
So it's like, well, that's how does that work? So people put their email address, their name and phone number, and they say, let me in. When they click let me in, they're going to go to the other page, which is the landing page. Okay. And on the landing page, they're going to see these 2 wonderful videos done by Karen Stoyles, right? She did both of these very professionally. And between the 2 videos, it's 11 minutes. It's very short, right? So we're not gobbling up a lot of people's time to really sell them on what we're doing here in pool funding. And it's now we're starting to have a little gloss. In my opinion, we're putting the gloss onto the operation here with this kind of stuff that you're looking at. And for $30, you can have that too. Let's hear from Michael. We just want to appreciate Michael Dagis for being willing to do this for the community. And what are your thoughts? I know you're under the weather right now, so yeah, thank you so much.
Oh yeah, no problem. I know a lot of folks have a trouble with putting pages together. Leads Leap's a little more complicated than some other platforms. But I understand that others really need this service, so I don't mind helping out. And I know in pool funding, we all try to help each other out. That's my goal and Steve's goal. So we're just doing our best to help each other out.
All right, well, we sure appreciate that, Michael, and looks beautiful. And what do you guys think about this? You guys have seen it? There's about 30 people here. What do you just shout out what your thoughts are on what these capture pages?
I want to sign up.
Yeah, it looks great. Looks
Ready-
great.
Ready to spend the
Michael,
$30?
Steve,
Yeah, it's ready.
great
All right.
job. Great job.
All right, good deal.
Bargain at $30.
Excellent,
Absolutely.
excellent.
Yep.
All right, super duper. Okay, so that wraps up our training for today. I want to thank all of you for coming out to the live training. Those that are here live, you were part of the Love Bucket earlier, and then we went into our 10 for 10 at 10 training. And those that are catching this on YouTube, we appreciate you too. While you're on the channel, why don't you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything that we put out there? And we always love to have likes and positive comments. Be sure to drop us a like and a positive comment, please. Okay, that's it, guys. Everybody can unmute now and say bye. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Bye for
Bye,
now.
bye for
Bye for
now.
Good night.
Now.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye.